Hello YouTube, this is the fake cowboy with his first video on an unboxing. Just got a Champion 18-inch chainsaw. This is the box. I got this one because it was on sale. As you can see, it's been there a while. It's got the dust still on it. Got a good deal on it. It's an 18-inch, 2-stroke. It comes with gas and oil included, so that also factored in on why I got it. It's got a 2-year warranty. So let's open this bad boy and check it out. So I haven't even opened the box yet. Pretty excited. This is my first chainsaw that I've purchased. Open this up. Okay, wow. It's a nice yellow color. Okay. So for accessories, okay, we got a manual, whatever. Oh, that really small bottle. So we got a small bottle of a synthetic oil. Oops. Okay, we got this tightening tool for the bolts and any repairs that your chainsaw might need. Okay, now for the actual product itself. Packed pretty well. Oh, actually, I might have to cut this box open more. Okay, wait, I don't want to break the box. Alright, just a big brain. Alrighty. That's how she looks. Real nice. Okay, so we got the carrying handle, the fuel valves, the starter, yep, standard chainsaw. Let me see how it feels in both my hands. So it's not the lightest, but definitely feels sturdy as it is. I'll have to undo that after. Yeah, pretty cool. I guess it was standard chainsaw box because, like I said, this is the first chainsaw I'm buying. It's got a nice protective guard here. Real cool. I'm super excited to use this, and I'll be back with another review soon.